Hi everyone, how you all are doing? Today is day 8 of 21 days skin CTM challenge. As you all know that we have completed 7 days. I am getting so many messages every day that Shika, my skin is improving every day and I'm getting glowing skin. So today I've got something very exciting, very nourishing. We all love to eat it and that's our favorite watermelon. I've got watermelon face pack today and it's really amazing for normal to dry skin, combination skin, normal to oily skin. For any skin type you have, it's really amazing. It gives nourishment to your skin, it hydrates from within, it's a natural skin toner, and of course it will give you a glow. So let's get started. I'm using Inatur Silky Skin Face Wash in Rose. I have normal to dry skin, so I'm using this particular product for my skin. Take out your face wash and let's get started. I've taken my product. Now I'm rubbing my product in between my hands and gently massaging on my face. Follow the steps how I am doing it. So I am using upward movements. Look at my hand movements, guys. Always use gentle hands. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Even if you are not attending my CTM live sessions, you can do it with me while watching my videos on YouTube. So let's get started. Try and give your face a little massage. Never ever forget your neck. Whatever product is in your hand, take a little bit of water, rub it together, rub your hands together and start massaging. Do it in upward strokes. Never avoid your neckline. Look at my strokes. Always use upward movements. I'm using this product called Foreo Luna 2 today. It's an amazing product. It cleans your pores from within. It removes dirt 99.5%. And it's really amazing after cleaning sometimes your hands are not enough. They can't give you that kind of deep cleansing, but this product will definitely help you in removing your dirt 99.5%, and it's proven. So if you have this particular product, start using it on top of your face wash. You can wet this product with water, then there is a button here. You have to press it and the vibration will start. There is intensity buttons as well. You can reduce or increase it according to your need. Now I'm massaging my face with this particular product called Foreo. It's very gentle on the skin. It's not at all harsh and it will remove your dirt from your pores. It will remove the dirt from your pores. It will give you a deep cleansing. It also clears away the dead skin cells from your skin. I'm done with my cleansing part here. Now I'm going to wash my face. So you also go and wash your face. Be gentle while just dabbing the water on your skin. Try and avoid face towels and use tissues because tissues are very gentle to our skin. Sometimes towels can give us a rash, but tissue can save you. So now it's the turn of my toner. I'm using my rose water today from Inatur. It's called Aqua Rose Toner. It's very little in the bottle, but it will solve my purpose today. You can use any toner, whether it is from Clinique, whether it is from Karma Ayurveda or from Forest Essential. They all have toner, and you can also use, if you don't like toner, you can also use rose water, and they are absolutely natural toner. Whether you have oily skin or dry skin, they will never ever harm you. Don't avoid this step. It always allows to clean your pores from within. Sometimes the cleanser residue get clogged in the pores and it doesn't get removed with water. So your toner will definitely clean your pores, tighten your pores, and your skin will start breathing. I have done today 7 to 10 pumps on my face. Now I'll allow this toner to dry on its own. Don't rinse your face, let it dry on its own. My toner has dried completely. Can you see my skin? I hope so. Every one of you can see this glow. My skin is really glowing. So here is the mask, my watermelon mask. I have normal to dry skin. And I hope so you all have prepared your watermelon mask today. I have shared the recipe for normal to dry skin, for normal to oily skin as well. For normal to dry skin, I have taken 5 to 7 cubes of freshly cut watermelon. I have grinded my watermelon pieces in the grinder. Then I have added 2 teaspoons of wheat flour in it, and also I have added half teaspoon of honey in it. Then I have mixed them all together very well with the help of a spoon. I have made a very good paste. The consistency of the pack should not be thick, it should not be thin, it should be really nice. For normal to oily skin, I have taken again 5 to 7 pieces of freshly cut watermelon. Then I have added gram flour in it, or basin you can say. Then I have also added astringent to add antiseptic properties in my face pack. One most important tip I really want to share with all of you. If you have little bit of acne or you have pustules or some pimples on your face, so feel free to add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil in this pack. It will really disinfect your skin and your acne will also dry on its own. Look at this way how I am applying the face pack on my skin and start following the same. Always apply your face pack in upward movements. Look at the way I am applying on my face. Never ever go too close to your under eye area. Never ever apply the face pack close to your under eye area, and also never apply the face pack on top of your eyelid area, and always follow the upward strokes. Look at the way I am applying it on my face. And I have also done one more thing to my pack, guys. I really want to share this. Before applying it onto my face, I have kept this pack for at least 10 to 15 minutes in refrigerator, and now my skin is just loving it. Now I'm applying this pack on my nose. Now I'm doing upward strokes on my forehead and then coming down. Never ever forget your neck. Apply your face pack also on your neck in upward movements. Never forget your face pack to be applied on your neckline. And after applying your face pack, you can check yourself in the mirror. Wherever you have left the pack, you can apply on that area. Your pack should not be very runny or it should not be very thick. So I'm done. As we are doing these DIY homemade masks almost every day with you guys, so I will always suggest you that don't let them dry 100%. Allow them to dry for good 5 to 7 minutes, and after that you can wash off your pack. After washing our pack, we'll be applying moisturizer. So guys, just be ready with your moisturizer and your under eye cream. So I washed my face. Can you see the glow? This pack is amazing. If you want me to make these kind of packs or more these kind of DIY homemade packs, you can comment in the comment box and I will try and make that particular video. I would like to mention the benefits of this mask. It will give you glowing skin and it will act as a natural skin toner. It will hydrate your skin from within, and it also prevents excess oil production. If you have severe oily skin, it will definitely control the excess oil which your skin is producing. It also removes your tan. It's an anti-aging face pack. And of course, it will give you glow as well. So I'm using Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer. I've already ordered my moisturizer because it's about to finish. This much moisturizer is more than enough. It is really very important to apply moisturizer whether you have normal to dry skin, normal to oily, acne prone skin. There are different types of moisturizer for different types of skin. But moisturizing your skin is very important. After applying the moisturizer on my full face, now whatever product is left on my hands, I'm just rubbing the product and then emulsifying it on my skin. Always use upward movements. I've taken a little bit more moisturizer on my hands. I'm rubbing the product. Always apply your moisturizer on your neck. Never ever ignore your neck. Whether you are doing a face wash or whether you are doing a toner or a moisturizer, please never ever ignore your neck. And always use upward strokes. Look at my movements. And I am done. So after doing your moisturizer, never ever forget your under eye area. I am applying Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. आपके पास जो भी आई क्रीम है आप वो लगा सकते हैं. मैं इसको अपनी रिंग फिंगर पे ले रही हूँ और छोटे छोटे डॉट्स लगा रही हूँ. अगर आप मेरे वीडियो देखेंगे डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, तो आपको मेरे वीडियो के जो भी स्टेप्स हैं वो एक जैसे ही लगेंगे, क्योंकि मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि आप सिर्फ मेरा वीडियो देख के भूल ना जाएं. आप मेरे इस वीडियो के साथ साथ CTM करें. ये जो वीडियोस बनाए जाते हैं ये उस पैटर्न पे बनाए जा रहे हैं कि आप इनको सिर्फ देखने के लिए ना देखें, आप इनको करने के लिए देखें. और आप इनको मेरे साथ साथ, जैसे मैं CTM कर रही हूँ, आप भी वही स्टेप पे CTM करें. चाहे आपकी कोई भी एज ग्रुप है, आपके लिए CTM बहुत जरूरी है. So now I am applying my under eye cream. It's very important to hydrate your under eye area. I always try and dab my product with the help of my ring finger because it has lightest pressure. I also apply my under eye cream on top of my eyelid area. And you should be always very gentle while applying the cream. You can rub the product. And after applying my under eye cream, I'll be applying my lip balm. I'm using my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I really like it. And it really hydrates my lips. It's very moisturizing. It's not at all like normal lip balms. It stays on my lips for a longer period. And it's done. Now tell me, how did you felt about this pack?
मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ग्लो कर रही है एंड जो कूलिंग इफेक्ट है ना वो अभी तक फील हो रहा है मॉइस्चराइजर के बाद भी. एंड योर DIY मास्क इज लाइक फूड फॉर माय स्किन. वो लगा के मेरी स्किन इज लुक हेल्दी.
Actually, I'm feeling that coolness and really smooth and shiny skin today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just love this.
My face pack was awesome. It was glowing. I was glowing. You can see that.
You are still glowing.
Actually, I kept it for 2 hours in refrigerator, so it was very nice cooling effect.
I'm very happy to see it really glowing very much.
It was referred by Sumati, and it's really good to know you that you're telling us such a good DIY recipes. I'm really happy to be with you in these sessions.
So if you have liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends, with your family, with your kitty friends, with your school friends. Especially उन लड़कियों को या उन लड़कों को जिनकी शादी होने वाली है, आप उनको तो डेफिनेटली ये वीडियो शेयर करिए. उनको बताइए कि CTM करना कितना जरूरी होता है. DIY होममेड पैक्स करके हम अपनी स्किन को कितना नेचुरली नरिश कर सकते हैं बिना किसी केमिकल के. और जब वो आप उनके साथ ये वीडियो शेयर करेंगे और वो ये रेगुलरली कम से कम 21 दिन अपने फेस पे खुद करेंगे, वो आपको जरूर थैंक्स बोलेंगे और उनकी स्किन उसके बाद कुछ कमाल ही हो जाएगा. इतना अच्छा ग्लो आ जाएगा जो सबको चाहिए होता है अपनी शादी से पहले. और इनफैक्ट शादी से पहले ही क्यों, शादी के बाद भी आपकी कोई भी एज ग्रुप है, आप हमेशा CTM करिए. And whatever query you have in your mind, do write in my comment section. I will go there and I will answer your query. And one more thing, last but not the least, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload my video, you will be the first one to get the notifications. Okay then, bye, take care, see you.